Hello there. Well, I've got to do some maintenance on my phone here, and I thought you guys might benefit from it. So thanks for watching on Pittsburgh Pat channel. And on my Pittsburgh Pat channel, I do a lot of videos. And what happens is my memory gets full because I'm recording my screen a lot, as I am now. So if you go to settings and you go down to it starts up here, go down to device care. Where is that? Device care. It says storage. Click on that. Now see my storage? This is my internal storage. It's almost full. That's not good. Phone starts acting weird. That kind of stuff happens. Also, if you click on storage, this is a Galaxy Note, and they still have the SD cards, which is one of the reasons I like it. And you can see I don't have a lot of, on my SD card, there's still a lot of space. So when I record a video, it goes to my SD card, like if I'm taking a shot with the external camera. But if I'm doing screenshots, it goes to my internal video, which is this part right here, which is almost used up. So we got to free up some space. And it's mostly videos. You can see here, it's a lot of videos, gigabytes, 75 gigabytes here. So here's what we're going to do. Go to gallery, pull up gallery. That's actually a picture, yeah. And then I'm going to go, I don't know, I'll go to the bottom. And I'm just going to delete a bunch of the images I have in here, videos especially, that are Candy Crush levels, because that's what I do on my Pittsburgh Pat channel. So like these here, they can go. So I'm just going to go ahead and start selecting those. Oh no, actually here's how you do it. So go up here to these three dots, click on that, click on edit. Okay, so when you hit edit, then you'll see that there are these little circles that appear in the top of all of the videos or images, and you can check or uncheck those. So check, scroll up, check. I'm just going to go through these and check all the ones that and you can check here too. Like say you wanted to delete all of the videos that were from one whole day, you could check on January 19th and it would highlight all the videos, but I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to do that. But that just shows you could like say, oh man, what a terrible day that was. I just want to forget everything that happened that day. And you can delete that entire day. Isn't that great? It's great. Your phone lets you have selective memory like that. Are there any days that you've had like that? Put it in the comments below. Yeah, smash and like helps me too if you feel like helping out the channel. I like doing these phone tips because these are common occurrences that I have, and I'm sure if I have these occurrences, somebody else does. And this is how I learn. I learn from watching YouTube videos. So, all right, we're going to go through here, but I'm not going to waste too much of your time. So once you have all those selected that you want to delete, then just go down to delete right there. Click on that, and it'll say, okay, you want to move these 52 videos to the trash? Yes, I do. Move to trash. And that will take however long that takes, but you're not done yet, because now if you go back to settings and you go back to device care, you'll see really storage, your storage is still the same, right? So wait, didn't I just delete all those? Sort of. What you did was you put them in the trash. So what you got to do now is go back to gallery, right? Go to these three dots here. Again, pull that down and then go down to where it says trash. Click on trash and it'll show you what's in your trash. So I have 54 videos, so I must have deleted a couple the other day. And then you have to hit empty. Now, if you throw things in your trash after 30 days, they'll be deleted. But I don't want to wait 30 days. I want to make room for more videos that I have to do today. So yeah, so I'm going to hit empty right now. And it'll give me one more chance. Like, are you sure? Because these are going to be permanently deleted. There's no getting them back after I hit empty trash. So I'm hitting empty trash and it's deleting all of them. So now there are no pictures of my trash. I'm going to go back to settings. I'm going to go back to device care. And I'm going to go back to storage. And you can see I have more room. There was, what was that, 114, 119, I think, the last time we looked at it. And now it's 104. So I have more storage. So obviously I need to clean up more, but I didn't want to take all of your time today. Thank you for your consideration. I hope this helped you. If it did, please smash like. Subscriptions are great if you want to get notifications. I upload almost every day. And have a great day and see if you can help somebody today without getting caught. Say nice things behind people's backs, too. Thanks.